Niall's fallen over in his chair, but he managed to save most of the crisps.
Yeah.
Hi, so we've come away for our first night away camping with Jake and Poppy and the boys. Give us a wave, boys.
Hello, we love camping. And it's my first time.
Yeah, so it's Niall's first time camping, it's Jake's first time camping. Is it your first time camping?
No. Since I was 8, probably, yeah.
Okay, well Pete's not been since he was 8 either. So we packed the car, we drove up. We've got the tent set up there as well. We're just letting the dogs have their Kongs. Quite enjoying those. And then we're going to go for a little walk and a wander and see what's what. So we're keeping Jakey's muzzle on when we're going to walk around the campsite and stuff. Just because there's loads of kids running around, he gets a bit jumpy at the dogs, and if anyone tries to stroke him, I don't want him to just sort of jump out of fear and scare them. So he's very good at wearing it. So we're going to keep it on around the campsite. Oh, sneezes. Good boy. Are you a good boy? Good boy.
This is Jake wearing his new muzzle, guys.
What have you seen so far, Niall? Where are the animals?
And there's some,
What have you seen?
cows, pigs,
Yeah?
cows.
Loads of cows and pigs.
No, oh yeah, I think we saw some sheep on the car. And over there, back over there, we saw like some cows going near us.
Yeah, there was like walking right behind our tent, but there's some lovely views. The dogs are enjoying themselves, so we're just going to go and have a look for sort of a tent with some Coca-Cola to get a drink.
Yeah, you drank with yours.
Yeah.
We've got wood.
So we've just been and got some firewood for our s'mores for later. Jake's done really well because he's just been in the tent with a few people. And there's quite a lot of noises, there's some kids shouting in the background, there's some cars driving past, and he was really chilled out, so he's doing really well, very impressed. And this is Niall Howard. Show him how much G2 you've got left. He's literally 5 steps away from the bar. You managing alright with that crate of wood there, babe?
Yeah,
Hello. Peter's lighting the barbecue. Me and Niall are playing Harry Potter Top Trumps, aren't we?
yeah.
Pops is chilling over there. And Jake's chilling over there. Happy days. Are you enjoying camping?
Yes.
Getting the burgers on.
Do you want to sit round it? Will?
Bomb.
Niall wins.
How do I win? You won.
Okay, well you came second.
Daddy loses.
Morning campers. So we're up. We had a bit of a lie and we didn't get out of bed till 8:30. Jake, he did really well through the night, to be fair. He was whining a little bit to start with, but he settled down really well. And yeah, we got a good sleep. We had to get up at about 2:30 to let him out for a wee, but other than that, everything was really good. So we've packed the tent away. We're going to go for a nice walk over in this direction, and then come back, get the car and go home. So it's just a one-night adventure, but everyone's really enjoyed themselves. Pete and Niall are over there, Jacob climbing hay bales, or Niall is, and Popsicle is of course by my feet as usual. So yeah, nice little walk and then home. It's been really good.
Your love is like an ocean ready to take sail, swept by current, swallowed by a wave. Take heed, they'll say. No,
I'm gonna do it again.
no need to get out, just stay on a lovely holiday. Our love is easy lasting, holiday so easy passing. Our love is easy lasting, holiday so easy.
Hi!
Taking Jake for a walk.
You're taking Jake for a walk. Looks like he's taking you for a walk.
No need to get out, just stay on a lovely holiday. Lovely holiday. Our love is easy lasting, holiday so easy passing. Our love is easy lasting, holiday so easy passing.
Hello. We're camping, boys.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.